Manage your data settings on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your data settings on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on privacy checkup. Now click on your data settings on Facebook. And now click on continue, and you can just, you don't have any apps or website to remove, you choose whatever you want, click on next and read those steps and do. This is your data settings. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.